Inspiration, transformation, success stories, and the Imperfect Action Round. 7 days a week. Join Mario Ficini for today's Expert Authority Effect interview.
I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. Today only this, 1/10 off of that, yada, yada, yada. This deal only, $10.99 all year, but today only, $9.99. You're going to save like millions of dollars, all kinds of crap. It's Black Friday 2019, and I'm just sick of this. And today I have no sale, no BS, but I do have a gift for you, and that is no joke. Everyone is trying to sell stuff all friggin' year long. And out of nowhere,
why every business needs a book, including yours. Would you like to save 5+ hours with every prospect, generate more leads and profit in your business now? Visit businessbookchecklist.com and learn how you can implement this in your business today.
For $9.99, $19.99. I remember when I was working at Best Buy and we had DVDs all year. And this is like decades ago. But we had DVDs all year that were $10.99, 1 penny less than $11. And they were on sale for $9.99. And people that didn't even want to come in to buy that I remember them destroying the container that they were all in and walking out with 8 to 10 of them. So you come into the store and you want to buy, maybe it's a TV, maybe it's whatever, and you have no intention of even buying DVDs, but oh my gosh, look, they're on sale. They're on sale. The people that like sales love this crap. And I'm going, you just spent $80 to $100 more, sometimes $200 or $300 more. And it's like, I got a deal. No, you didn't. You saved maybe $9 or $10 overall. So anyway, before I go off on a tirade, I mean, I could do a whole training on why. Maybe I'll do that next week. You know, let me know. Let me know in Expert Authority World, expertauthorityworld.com. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in, because I have a whole business teaching on around it. And if you, whether you're selling stuff for $100 or $1,000, if you discount it 10%, 20%, you just have to sell that much more. And we look at the wholesale cost and different things like that. But before I go off on that, everyone wants you to buy from them. I want to give back. And I've been told that I have a lot of great content, trainings, worksheets, hundreds of testimonials people have given me and how they've benefited, you know, over the years. And whether you have or not, I'd really like to give you something that's going to make a difference. So I have a couple of things. If you want to improve your marketing message, if you want to improve your marketing messaging, I have an audio training program that is normally $299, and it's like 3 hours of specific training on messaging, which every single business needs. I have books. I can send those to you as the PDF. I got Video Marketing for Business Owners, the IWD Now Freedom Platform, WordPress Website Builder book. My third one, the Expert Authority Effect, which the show is part of that brand. How to position yourself as the go-to expert, attract higher quality leads, and be seen as the premier provider that you are. And also one that's really near and dear to me, my Rich Dad, the one and only one-step success formula to unlimited wealth. And it's a tribute book to when my father passed a couple of years ago. And then I have live video trainings, multiplication by subtraction, getting more clients and time by doing less. It's actually one of my favorite ones because we all could use more time, but we still want to be profitable and get stuff done. That is a video training from one of my live events. And want to attract dream clients? Use this strategy, the Expert Authority Trifecta. Video training, again, for my live event. And as always, the Expert Authority Interviews app for iOS and Android. So whether you want 1, 2, all of the above, something in between, just go to the show notes page at eainterviews.com/Black Friday 2019. And that's it. I'm not going to sell anything for 10%, 20% off. I want to give back as I do with the show. I know I have a lot of great stuff that will help you. So it's yours. So I guess I should be saying Merry Christmas, but I hope you didn't get trampled today or wasted your time with that. But if you did, I'd really encourage you to consider thinking twice about it and just what you do with your time. And, I'll throw something else in. Rescue time. I start every single one of my private clients off with this day 1, week 1. And I work with some of the, 6, 7, 8-figure entrepreneurs that are the most successful, productive, you name it. Just look at all the people on the show. And every single one of them could be better with their time, including myself. And Rescue Time will show you how to do that. And it's always interesting because you can install it and then forget about it. I literally tell everyone day 1, week 1, install this and forget about it. And then week 2 of training, I go, all right. They're like, what should I be working on? I go, fire up your computer. Let's check your stats. They're like, what do you mean? They're like, oh, yeah. And almost everyone can improve 10, 20%, even if they're already highly productive. But it's just, what is your time worth? Everyone likes a good sale. And, there's some things that I was getting actually for the show. And I planned on getting them anyway. And of course, yeah, if it's a better price, who wouldn't want that? Because that's more to invest somewhere else. But when you're just running around looking for $10 off here, $5 off here, I have a problem with it because too many people are neglecting other things, friends, family, and all that. They're too busy. Everyone's got 24 hours in a day. What are you doing with it? And there's better things you can do. You can get it shipped to the house now. You're not going to be a millionaire, saving $5 at a time, and you have to add value. It's way easier to create $1,000 or $10,000 than it is to save your way to wealth. So this whole thing, I've worked on both sides of it, and I remember even when I was at Best Buy that I told them I'm not coming in. They're like, we're going to fire you. I'm like, I don't even know why I'm here. Go ahead. They didn't, but I did not work Black Friday. I'm like, I am not wasting my day and time subjecting myself to this. And that was a very interesting time in my life. But even back then, decades ago, I was just like, absolutely not. So that's it. Check out eainterviews.com/Black Friday 2019. Hope you enjoyed this. It's a little bit different episode than normal. How do I end it? All right, Expert Authority World, we have another great episode for today. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, have a great day and God bless.
Why every business needs a book, including yours. Would you like to save 5+ hours with every prospect, generate more leads, and profit in your business now? Visit businessbookchecklist.com and learn how you can implement this in your business today. Hey, thanks for listening to today's episode. I hope you got a lot out of it. I know I sure did. If you haven't done so already, I invite you to subscribe to the show. And also be sure to check out eainterviews.com for complete show notes, the full interview video experience, links to the resources we mentioned, and more. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow.